Welcome to this training on the Empowerment to Stop Work policy. I'm Aruhi, and today we'll learn how every worker has the authority and responsibility to stop unsafe work before an incident happens. Safety isn't just another rule, it's a responsibility shared by everyone on site. Stop Work Authority gives every individual the confidence to prevent accidents before they occur. This policy protects our people, our equipment, our workplace, and the environment by encouraging everyone to identify hazards early and make safe decisions before work continues. So what exactly is Stop Work Authority? It means every worker has both the authority and the responsibility to stop any activity they genuinely believe could cause harm. There is never a penalty for stopping work in good faith. If you believe something is unsafe, speaking up could prevent a serious injury or even save someone's life. Stop Work Authority is one of the most effective ways to prevent serious incidents because hazards are controlled before they become accidents. When everyone communicates openly and acts quickly, risks are reduced, compliance improves, and a stronger safety culture is built across the workplace. Who can stop unsafe work? Everyone on site. Whether you're a worker, contractor, supervisor, manager, or visitor, safety is everyone's responsibility. If you identify an immediate danger, you have the authority to stop the work. Safety decisions are based on the risk, not on a person's position or title. Unsafe work at height, faulty equipment, unstable scaffolding, damaged tools, and electrical hazards must be reported immediately.
Fire risks, gas hazards, confined space dangers, unsafe lifting activities, and missing personal protective equipment are reasons to stop work immediately.
Unsafe weather, permit violations, or any hazard that cannot be properly controlled means the work must stop until it is safe. The first step of Stop Work Authority is simple. Identify the hazard and make sure everyone nearby understands the potential danger.
Stop, everyone, look at this.
What is it? Let me see.
After identifying a hazard, stop the activity immediately and inform the responsible supervisor so the situation can be properly assessed.
Once the work is stopped, secure the area and carefully assess the risk before deciding the corrective actions required. Corrective actions must remove or control the hazard, and the workplace must be verified safe before work can continue.
Work should only resume after proper authorization confirms that the area is safe and all required controls are in place.
Workers are responsible for identifying and reporting hazards, while supervisors must respond quickly and support every genuine safety concern.
Managers strengthen the safety culture through leadership, while HSE teams investigate hazards and verify that corrective actions are completed.
A strong stop work culture requires leadership commitment, employee participation, and the confidence to speak up whenever safety is at risk. Effective communication, regular safety training, and clear procedures help everyone understand risks and make better decisions before beginning any activity.
A no-blame reporting culture builds trust. When workers feel supported, they are more willing to report hazards and help improve safety every day.
Sometimes challenges can prevent people from speaking up, including fear of reporting, pressure to finish work quickly, poor communication, and lack of safety awareness.
Recognizing these challenges is the first step. By supporting each other and encouraging open communication, we can overcome these barriers.
When Stop Work Authority becomes part of the workplace culture, the results are clear. Safer operations, stronger teamwork, and fewer incidents.
A strong safety culture leads to fewer accidents, better compliance, reduced losses, and improved confidence across the entire organization.
When employees feel empowered to make safe decisions, confidence increases and productivity improves because everyone understands their role in safety. To keep this policy effective, conduct regular toolbox talks, encourage hazard reporting, and perform routine inspections to identify problems early.
Every Stop Work event is an opportunity to learn. Share lessons, improve processes, and recognize people who make safety a priority.
Always remember the key principle. Safety comes before production, and every person on site has the authority to stop unsafe work.
Never ignore unsafe conditions. If something does not look safe, speak up, stop the work, and make sure the hazard is controlled.
Remember, one safety decision at the right moment can protect a life and prevent an incident that could affect an entire team.
This brings us to the end of our Empowerment to Stop Work policy training. Every person on this project has the responsibility and the authority to protect themselves and others. If it is not safe, do not do it. Speak up, stop the work when needed, and help create a workplace where everyone returns home safely.
This training is provided by Najma Consultancy, delivering safety training, consultancy, inspection, and compliance services across the UAE. We provide safety training, first aid, inspections, HSE consultancy, audits, and risk assessment services.
Thank you for watching this training. Stay safe,
Stay aware and always remember that safety starts with you.